At saan ka na naman galing? Araw-araw ka na bang laging ganyan?
Ma, stop being so dramatic. Diba, ako?
Wow! Ang galing mo namang bumangon para sa pelikula. Ngayon lang. Listen mo, nasa baba si Chloe naghihintay.
And that's when all the tragic happens. Chloe, let's go! Ma, alis na po kami!
Hindi mo muna kayo hakaan bago kayo malis?
Naghihintay na po si Chloe. Kita, babay po. Alis na po kami.
Oh, sige Chloe, mag-ingat kayo. Umuwi kayo na maaga ha.
The hell? It's not your problem.
Hindi ako nakapasok, tapos
The hell? It's not your problem anymore. I heard something. Something like champaka?
ano pilit sasabihin mo? Baliw ko na talaga.
I swear, I heard something. Chloe, mauna ka na. Susunod lang ako.
Okay, bye.
At first, I ignore it. But as the time goes by, it even seeks for my attention. Did something happen? What are you talking about? Hindi kasi kanina parang ang tahimik na tapos niya.
Guni-guni mo lang yun.
By the way, nice earphones.
Weird.
Who's weird?
Kasi kahapon you told my earphones was nice. Tapos you said it again.
Hey, you didn't even met yesterday.
Kaya isa kasi dyan, yung attend sa place.
I even call you to say the blood is cancer.
Nagda-drugs ka ba, Maika?
Can I borrow the earphones? It seems nice.
Here you go. Wala ka bang narinig na
San Antonio police are investigating after a man was found dead along the premises of the Agro-Ministerial Foundation College in the Philippines. The body was full of stabs. The police suspects it was a suicide case.
Mika, are you okay?
No, Angela, I'm not fine.
Mika, I hate to tell you this, but do you remember when you and Sam fought? I was there, and you were drunk.
What do you mean you were there?
I was not eavesdropping, Mika. I was there because you called me. I didn't know Sam was also there. I heard you both shouting. It wasn't my intention to listen, but I can't help myself. I also forgot to tell you this, but that day, something strange is walking outside your window. I wanted to follow it, but you told me. Angela! It was just my hunch, but I think you did that to him.
No! Hindi yan totoo! matters worsened each day. After what happened, I wanted to seek for an answer. I want to know what is this thing. As I am getting closer to the answer, I found something worse.
Teka nga lang, Mika. Ano nga ba talaga yung ginagawa natin dito?
Ganito kasi yan. I have this dream every night. At para bang dinadala ako sa lugar na to?
Well, that's creepy. And I think this place is so scary.
Sorry, Angela. Dila pa kita dito.
Ay ko, visit.
Tanga mo naman, tingnan mo, nakita nila tayo.
Kayo kasi ang ingay-ingay nyo.
Bakit?
Sinabihan kami ni Angela na pupunta kayo rito. Kaya, ayun, sumunod na kami. Surprise!
Eh, pauwi na rin kami, kaya...
Tara na, hanapin na natin yung hinahanap mo. Ito ba talaga yung lugar, Mika?
Para ka namang taka, Maika. Tingnan mo, naliligaw na tayo.
Hindi na talaga kami, Mika.
Bumalik na lang tayo.
Eh kaso nga, di natin alam daan pabalik.
Eh, ito naman kasi si Marcos, kung umuwi na lang tayo, sana hindi na lang tayo maligaw.
I'll find a way. Maghihingi ako ng tulong.
Kasama na lang ako sa'yo. Nakakainis naman kasi.
Sorry
Kahit
guys
na.
nawala pa tayo.
Matagal pa ba sila?
Sorry guys hindi ko kasi alam na mawawala tayo.
It's okay, Mika. I'm sure na pabalik na din sila.
Anong nangyari sa'yo, Angela?
We're just finding a way. When someone blocked us, enjoy!
Anong nangyari kay Joy?
Dito ka muna, Marcus. Hahanapin lang namin si Joy.
Angela, stay here with Marcos.
Angela?
You didn't get it right.
What do you mean?
Of course you wouldn't get it. Hindi ka naman naging matalino kahit kailan.
Ba't ka nagkakaganyan, Angela? I didn't get it.
Do you remember what happened to Sam? So tell me, did you broke up with Mika?
Hindi ko kaya magpagawalay kay Mika, Angela. Mahal na mahal ko siya, kaya tigilan mo na ako.
Ayaw mo ba sakit? Tell me, is something bad about me?
Yes, I hate your existence itself. Ayaw ko sa'yo. Esperada ka, makasarili. Simple as that.
They said he committed suicide, but the truth is,
Yes, I did it to him.
Oh, paano mo yung nagawa kay Sam, Angela?
I killed Joy. And your grave will be sitting next to
Angela, wag! Tama na yan, Mika. You won't help us find Joy.
Joy! Joy?
Joy! Wake up! Joy! Wake up!
Joy!
We need to hurry, Mika.
No!
Di pa natin alam kung nandito pa ang killer.
Hindi ko iiwan si Joy dito!
Tara na!
Where do you think you're going?
Angela, why are you like that?
Where's Marcus?
Marcos? He's dead. And he's beside Joy. Dahil talaga sa'yo, Mika eh.
haters' attention was always with you. Ano bang hindi madali para sa akin na tignan ko yung masaya? Lahat na ng bagay na iintindihan nyo. Para bang hindi ako nag-i-exist sa mundo? Sa circle natin. Gusto ko si Hater. At kung sa'yo siya sasaya, mas mabuti pang mamatay ka na lang.
Tama na, Angela! Tumigil ka na!
Shut up, hater! Hindi mo ba na para sa'yo lahat ng gagawa ko? Bakit pa si Mika na lang palagi pinapansin mo? Hindi ba pwedeng ako naman?
Angela, I'm sorry.
If you're truly sorry, you should die! Mika, alam kong nandyan ka. Magpakita ka. Hindi, mamatay ka. Mika, tara!